Hey everybody, it's Neil and I've got some wire here. I've got wire, I'm gonna wire up some speakers. So I got some 18AWG 8-pin electrical type wire. And I'm gonna show you guys what this is here. I think, if I can open it. Sorry about my teeth. I still don't think I hit it. So this is it. It's gonna be 50 feet of this wire here. Let's see if I can find an end and I'll show you guys what it's like. It's got some weight to it because it's got a lot of wires in there. Boy, okay, so up close, I'll show you all what this is here. It's got all the little wires in there. You can kind of see maybe. Might not focus, but I'll strip this thing open here a little bit. Give you guys a little look-see of what these wires are gonna look like here. Sorry, my wire stripper is not quite as big to go onto these wires, but okay, so here we go. So we've got all these different colors here. Actually, this is good because me being colorblind and I can still differentiate all these different ones here even. Well, maybe not these last two, but you get the idea. This is what the wires will look like here. I'll strip one up here and we'll see what the little wires inside look like. So here we go. It's a little stranded wires. It's got the little, the strands on it. So that's good. You just twist these up when you want to use them. So it's kind of cool that it's got, all the different wires in there. So you've got 8, so I can have, use this for my surround sound to kind of get the wires from my front of my room all the way around, kind of just work my way around and have all the sound going through these. So it's good. So you can totally use these for that. You could probably use them for a lot of variety of other things as well, just not power into the wall. But yeah, it's good for what I need it for. So I'll be running these to my speakers, and 50 feet will get me all the way around the whole area, which is what I need. So I'm good to go. I like it. Thumbs up.